What's up, everybody? It's Coach D, and today I just want to talk to you guys about it's Friday. It's been another great week of trading. I went over almost $1,500 this week trading, and that was pretty good. Very good week. I usually don't trade on Fridays, and because I got a little spare change, I decided to probably take a few more trades. I took some earlier, won a few bucks, and I see a little market structure break happening right now with the Euro USD. As you see, it's getting ready to cross the 50. It was going up, had a little uptrend going on. Actually, it's been consolidated. To me, this is just one big consolidation. If you see, it's pretty much just all the same. It's just going up and down. So probably that's a good little drop all the way down to what I see to 117. Say 117.10. Somewhere around there. I say no, about 117.02. So we're looking at a nice 20 pip drop that can happen right now. 20 pips is pretty good. That's all I go for, 20 pips and dip. And as you see, what we're looking for is we want the price action to stay under that EMA 50, which is the yellow line. We want it to stay below it before the 115 mark. It's 113 right now. So in 2 minutes, we're going to see where that end. And if it stay below, that's a good indication that it's going to get back bearish and continue downward. So with that being said, let's go check something else out. I want to show you guys how my trading view is looking at it. Let's go look at the Euro USD. These are things I check for before I place a trade. As you see, that's the 1 hour. We're going to go to the 15 minute. And as you see, it's right there. We're looking at it even more closely now. When this is telling me that this will tell me exactly what's going on, if we should take this trade or not. If it stay above my SMA of 50 will pretty much stay yellow. If it turn red, then we know that it's a market structure break. And that would tell us that we can get in it. But I want it to break the pivot. The pivot itself is the yellow line that you see. That is the banks. That's what they pretty much trade off of. All the international banks. These pivot points are pretty much what they use for support and resistance. So I would want to see that go below that before I get into this trade. And if it was to do that, then I would do that. So as you see, it stayed okay. It's the second. We have a new candlestick that just formed, and it's very bearish. But like I said, I would want to see it break the pivot. The thing about trading, this is what most of my students don't understand. The most important thing to know is you got to have patience. You have to be patient. Because if without patience, you will lose. So that's just something to think over the weekend. If you've been struggling, if you took a loss this week, you got to let that go and continue learning. Practice and demo. Do not be wasting your money until you get this. It's all about support and resistance, market structure, trend lines, but mainly having patience. Without patience, you will lose. You have to know when to enter a trade. And that's the whole key to the game. A lot of people just like taking signals from other people and stuff like that. But you will never be able to do this on your own, just taking signals. So why not learn? It's only $99 a month. And you can make that in 15 minutes doing this. So just think about it. I just want to put some words of encouragement in you guys' ear, show you what's going on with the market. It's NFP day, so I'm really not trading, but if something presents itself, I would take it. It's only a few more hours till before the market close, so it's really gonna start slowing up anyways. So I'm not pressed to trade, but if something show, I will check it out and get in it. But that's what I want to let you guys know. Patience. Have patience. Grow your account 5% daily. That's all you need. If you grow your account 5% daily, you will be amazed at what you can do. Have a great day.